I really want to know why so many people simply love everything about their Jeeps. The enduring charm of Jeeps, rooted in their steadfast design and unparalleled versatility, has remained remarkably constant for over 80 years. From the humble origins as indispensable military vehicles during World War II to their widespread popularity among civilians, Jeeps have maintained certain key attributes that continue to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. During World War II, the United States manufactured a staggering 647,925 Jeeps. These vehicles were conceived out of the military's necessity for an off-road, lightweight road transport capable of navigating diverse terrain while transporting personnel and supplies efficiently. The Jeep, a collaborative effort between Willys Overland and Ford, quickly became an iconic asset for the Allied forces, showcasing remarkable reliability and adaptability during wartime. After the war, surplus military Jeeps flooded the market, paving the way for their transformation from utilitarian war machines to beloved civilian vehicles. Their ruggedness, off-road capabilities, and iconic design made them appealing for various uses, from agricultural work to recreational activities that we love today. Jeeps became more than just vehicles. They embodied a spirit of adventure and freedom that resonated with a broad audience. Many veterans, having developed a strong bond with Jeeps during their wartime service, contributed to the post-war popularity of these vehicles. They simply wanted to have the same kind of truck that they used to win in World War II. The reliability, adaptability, and nostalgic association with wartime experiences created a sense of loyalty among veterans. As surplus military vehicles became accessible to civilians, numerous veterans sought to own them, further cementing the Jeep's status as a symbol of post-war adventure. The first recreational model Jeep, the Willys Overland CJ2A, or Civilian Jeep 2A, rolled onto the scene in 1945, based on the wartime Willys MB and Ford GPW military Jeeps. In Jeep history, this marked a significant milestone, as it symbolized the transition from Jeeps for military workhorses to popular civilian road vehicles. The CJ2A's success laid the foundation for subsequent civilian Jeep models, establishing the brand's enduring presence in recreational and off-road markets. Off-roading in Jeeps gained popularity as enthusiasts, captivated by the rugged design and off-road capabilities, began modifying and using Jeeps for recreational purposes. The post-World War II era witnessed the emergence of off-road Jeep clubs, events, and the gradual establishment of off-roading as a recreational activity. This contributed to the enduring association of Jeeps with adventurous outdoor pursuits, solidifying their place as off-road icons. Despite the evolution in off-road mechanics since 1945, with modern Jeeps incorporating sophisticated suspension systems, advanced four-wheel drive technology, and electronic stability control, the fundamental off-road capabilities and rugged design that define Jeeps have fundamentally remained preserved. Jeep models continue to feature solid front axles, robust drivetrain components, and a steadfast focus on off-road functionality, maintaining the Jeep's reputation for tackling challenging terrain. Jeep enthusiasts, affectionately known as Jeepers, developed a bond with their vehicles due to a combination of factors. Jeep's rich history, from their crucial role in World War II to becoming iconic recreational vehicles, contributes to a sense of freedom and versatility that resonates with the owners. The strong community of Jeep enthusiasts, shared experience, and the ability to personalize and modify Jeeps all contribute to a passionate and loyal fan base. The enduring design, off-road capabilities, and the unique lifestyle associated with owning a Jeep play a significant role in fostering the deep love that Jeepers have for their vehicles. Naming your Jeep is a personal choice that reflects a unique bond between the owner and the vehicle. It goes beyond mere transportation, signifying a companionship on adventures. Many passionate enthusiasts find joy in giving their Jeep a personality and identity through a name, symbolizing the special relationship and memorable experience shared between the owner and the vehicle. I'm curious, have you named your Jeep? And if so, what is your Jeep's name? The Jeep's journey, marked by its wartime heroics and post-war civilian stardom, has been a legendary adventure. Picture the iconic Willys Overland CJ2A rolling onto the scene in 1945, turning Jeeps from military tools to adventure companions. And over the years, off-road tech has received a facelift, but Jeep grit stayed put. The love affair between Jeepers and their Jeeps is a timeless adventure that shows no signs of slowing down. What is your Jeep love story?